Okay guys, we're here back at my client's house installing this battery. This is what we have this far. EG4, 314 amp hour, 16 kilowatt hour battery bank with a 12K PV inverter. And I just mounted the battery. Now guys, this is a trick that I learned. Well, there's always like a 2-inch bump out, right? So of course you're going to put your cement board, that's a 1/2 inch. And then you get some unistrut that's 1 inch and 5/8. And it's perfect and it lines up, right? But one thing I figured out a trick is, you cut your unistrut to length, right? Let it rest on the foot there. And then what you do is you measure out where the bracket is going to go. And so then you mount the bracket onto the unistrut on both sides. You set it down, okay, where it's going to go. You screw the unistrut into the wall, into structure, right? And then what you do is you loosen up this bracket just a little bit and you lower it just so it's underneath the lip of the battery. Then you push the battery up against the wall and then you raise the bracket up to meet it. And then you just put these screws in and you're good. Instead of finding a way to lift up the battery, put it over the bracket. I always found that difficult, even with 2 people, man, because this thing is heavy. So that's a little trick, okay? Unistrut is the trick. So screw the bracket to the unistrut first on both sides, okay? Mount the unistrut to the wall, okay? Put the battery up against the wall, lower the bracket just beneath it, then push the battery all up against it. Once this battery is over the bracket, you want to lift the bracket up into the inside lip of this battery and then put in these screws. And there you go, guys. Okay, because this is what we got so far. The next video, you're going to see the inverter mounted. Here's the inverter right here. It's a big mama jamma. So we're going to mount that. And then there, right there, that's the backup panel. And that's going to go right here. I already drilled a hole, pilot hole right here. So I'm going to bring in the circuits from here and I'm going to mount this here and cut this up high and bring this, because this is the EV charger, I'm going to bring this inside the backup panel. Okay, and then from out here, have some PVC come up to a 90 to the bottom of the backup panel. All right, guys, stay tuned.